Yesterday's blues left in disguise. Coffee's cold but the heart is warm. Daydreams and denim, that's the norm. Forget the rush, take it slow. City lights and a gentle glow. Lost in thoughts, no need to know where we'll end or where we'll go. Footsteps echo on empty streets. Whispers of strangers' heartbeats. Final spins in a quiet room. Memories dance in the afternoon. Pages turn in a book of dreams. Nibble on hope as it redeems. Stars blink above in the skyline. Moments that make up our life. Forget the rush, take it slow. City lights and a gentle glow. Lost in thoughts, no need to know where we'll end or where we'll go. Moonlight creeps through window panes. Winds carry softly our refrains. Once again, night wraps us tight. In this world, under twilight's light. Moments that make up our lifeline. Moonlight creeps through window panes. Winds carry softly our refrains. Once again, night wraps us tight. In this world under twilight's light.